Hello, this is Christian from swim2fly.com. Today we're gonna learn how to swim butterfly in 3 steps and only 1 lesson.
So the step number 1 to learn the butterfly will be to learn the arrow butterfly, where you need to do the dolphin kick with your lower body and keeping your head under your arms. You can bend your knees if you are a beginner, it will be easier. The step number 2 is to learn the butterfly without breathing up, pulling every second dolphin kick. You will have to swim for a few meters without taking a breath with your chin on your chest. The third step and the last one will be to learn the butterfly, pulling with your hands every second dolphin kick and taking a breath up every second pulling strokes.
Let's go. Correct. And breathe. And breathe. And breathe. Don't breathe. And breathe. Very good.